This
Today,
conference will now be recorded.
today is a watch game. No writing, nothing. I will give you the notes, steps tomorrow. But today, you put your eyes on the screen. Don't miss a single option, right? Because we are starting customization. So I log in with my credentials, Rupam at the of101.com, password CRM1234 hash, right? 34 hash. The first step of customization is that we will create a project. We will create a solution. We will create an app. All are same, right? I want to create a solution for Apollo Hospital. Nothing but a project. A solution is a project, right? I want to create an app, one application, a, a hospital application. That is nothing but a solution. Meaning is same, right? To a problem, you are giving a solution through an app. I want to create a software. I want to give it to Apollo Hospital. Now, let's go ahead and create a software or a project or an application or a solution for Apollo Hospital. Enough of learning in Salesforce. We have seen accounts, contacts, right? Opportunities, cases, right? We have done enough, right? Out of box. It is the time for us to go ahead and create our own solution, own industry solution. If you are assigned to an Indigo project, then you'll be creating a solution called as airline management or Indigo booking system or Indigo airline management 2.0, 1.0. You'll be creating a project. How to create a project? Step one, go to app, click on app manager, right? There are two type of projects, classic project, lightning project. Project which works in a classic environment, which I'm not going to show you because at this moment, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to show you, right? We will see it later. First, let us focus on lightning. How to create a lightning app. You can say that app manager, lightning. You can see the app type. This is a classic. This is a classic. Classic. This is a lightning. You see that type of solution. It's a lightning development solution or classic development solution. Couple of see in the sales, you have sales classic, sales lightning. Two different solutions are there. Two different solution of sales. Sales has two. When you shift to classic, you select sales. That's a classic application. When you come to lightning and you go and select from the app manager, right? Sales cloud, the sales module, sales cloud, sales module, right? The lightning version loads. So the apps, right? In Salesforce, app are of two type. One more you will see called connected, right? But basically app are of two type, lightning or classic. I'm showing you how to create a lightning app. Click on lightning app, right? What is your app name? My app name is Apollo HOSPITL hospital management. What is the description? End-to-end hospital, end-to-end hospital management solution. End-to-end hospital management solution. Where is the logo? Look for the logo. Logo will be given to you. For example, I select this logo, which I already downloaded long back. Logo will be given to you by your client. So here it is. What is the color? I will try to select an Apollo color from here. Right? I don't know how to match the color, but something bluish. Okay, hope that is the color. Done. I'm trying to match the color. Right? This is how it'll look. Apollo Hospital, right? Apollo Hospital Management, right? Apollo Hospital Management. I click next. Do you want standard navigation? Yes, select standard. What is that navigation? We'll talk about it later. Supported. Do you want this app to be accessible with a desktop as well as with a phone? Yes. Do you want full setup option? Yes, so that people can customize it as per their need. Do you want to disable end user to customize this navigations? No. Do you want to disable the tabs and everything? No, I don't want to disable anything for end user. End user, you can say that. End user can personalize it as per their requirement. Do you want to disable the personalization? No. In real time also, we don't disable the personalization. Unless it's a banking project where we don't want end user to change anything, then only we check this box in banking projects, right? I click next. Utility bar, we don't have anything at this moment, so just leave it. Click next. Do you want anything from the out of box Salesforce? Do you want account? Yes, select it. No, I don't need any account, contact, cases. I will create everything from ground zero. If you want, saying that no, in an Apollo hospital, there could be cases coming up. So why to create case? Let's take cases. You can take from the existing out of box Salesforce. I will say no, I don't want anything. I'm removing it. Empty, I'm keeping. Click next. Right? Don't be in a hurry to click finish. Don't be in a hurry to click this save and finish button. Remember this, otherwise you'll be able to see nothing. Who can access this profile? Which profile can access this solution? I will say anybody who is with a supervisor 888, anybody who is a system admin, standard system admin, right? Anybody read only, right? These are the profiles can access the solution, right? Same thing we can control from there also. I click on save and finish. Step 1, we created a solution or an app. What app we created? Apollo Hospital Management. What type of app it is? It's a Lightning app. We created Lightning. Next time when I click on my app manager, I click on view all, I should be able to see, here it is, Apollo Hospital Management. Here it is, Apollo Hospital Management. I click on the Apollo Hospital Management and it will say, oops, awkward. It's quite awkward. Well, this is awkward. Why? Because there is nothing inside it. We just created an empty solution. When you click on Apollo, Apollo loads and there is nothing, no accounts, no contacts, nothing. Because we will be creating our own called as patients, operations, doctors, payments, diagnostics, right? So all these things we'll start creating as per the hospital requirement. Let's assume that we all are implementing hospital project, a project. You are working for HCL and now you have been assigned Apollo Hospital project. You have to do the development for Apollo Hospital. You can say that this is how Apollo Hospital will see. Well, this is awkward. Yes, I know this is awkward, right? Now I go to setup. My first screen is end user screen. My second tab is my development tab. Everybody clear? App manager, app manager, new Lightning app. New Lightning app. You have to click. Can I create more than one app? Yes. Right? You're a developer. When you will deploy, I will deploy only the Apollo. Right? I can in HCL, I can have C8 Tires, Taj Group of Hotels, Indigo Airlines, Apollo Hospital. You click on Indigo Airlines, sorry, you're not authorized to access this project. Your access will be removed. Or first of all, you will not even see Indigo. Not even you will see Indigo. Indigo will not be seen when you click on the app manager because you don't have an access, right? Because profile-based access, right? When you deploy, I will deploy only this too. So in a single environment, can I create multiple projects? Yes. I don't need to create a separate, developer force account for another project. In one environment, it's a multi-tenant environment. That means in one environment, you can have n number of projects can be developed. And later, you can go ahead and deploy one project to one client. So see, for developers, so good. In single environment, can I create one more project? Yes. Click on new and type hotel management. Give it to admin, create a profile called admin hotel management. And only admin hotel management, whoever has this profile can access the development part. So do that. After the hotel management project is ready, that team will deploy it. We will see later how to deploy. First, let us build it. Everyone clear? Yes. Good till
Yes.
here?
Yeah.
Sir.
One question actually. It might sound
Coming.
silly, but yeah. So, for example, HCL is managing the project for Apollo, and once
Right.
the app is built, it will give access to Apollo Hospital. So
No, no,
they
no.
will be
No, 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 no. We will not give access to Apollo Hospital. Once it's built, right? We will create a separate, the way you created a developer account, you will not create a developer account. You will create a Salesforce account,
okay.
and it will be a licensed account. And in that account, you will deploy this. It will be separate. We will not add the employees to our in our. This is what, right? This login is what, right? When I click on it, right?
Develop.
This root will belongs to what? ABC Private Limited.
Yeah.
This is an org, right? In this, I'm creating Apollo, and in ABC, I will not give access to Apollo. I will create a separate org again for Apollo, and
Mhm.
we will deploy this Apollo project there. Whenever they log in, they will not be able to see sales, service, marketing. For them,
Yeah.
directly Apollo will be loaded, and directly only these will be loaded. No marketing, no sales, no service, no this. If they don't need, we have not included in the project,
Mhm.
right?
Okay.
So this is how
And
it
they
will
will
work.
be paying for the licensing, whatever they
Yeah,
buy package,
obviously.
right? Yeah.
Yes, yes. They will be paying
Okay.
for the license, whatever they buy, as per
Okay.
their need and requirement. They will do that.
Okay. Thank you.
Right? Sounds good? Okay. Right. There we go. Let's proceed. Any other questions? Anyone? Right. First step is done. Second step, we want to capture, let's start with patient. We want to capture patient information. Before we start building the form and everything, we have to think where the data will be saved. The data has to be saved on the Salesforce server. Okay, fine. How can I create a table in the server? Now let us see how to create a backend table. On the tables, we'll start storing the data. To create a table, right? A table is called as object. In Salesforce, table is an object. Account table, contact table, case table. Now I go to the objects and field. Step 2, creating a table. Step 2, creating an object or a table. Step 2, creating an object or a table. I click on objects and fields. I click on object manager. I click on object manager. I click on create new custom object. It's a custom table. These are all system table, account, right? Activity, campaign, all the campaign information are stored in the campaign table. All the account information are stored in the account table. We are creating a transactional table. We are creating a transactional table which will hold transactional data. That means patient related information. All the patient core information will be stored here. I'm not creating a metadata table. I'm not creating a table to store the configuration, settings, choices. No. I'm creating a table where I hold the core customer data. We call them as transactional table. Tables are of two types: transactional table, metadata table. Transactional table, metadata table. Transactional table is where all the core information is held. Transactional informations are held, right? Metadata tables are nothing but these are backend tables which hold information about a table, right? Information about one table is stored in another table. Configuration information, setting information, right? Technical information, right? Now I'm creating a transactional table, right? Custom object. It'll ask you, what is the table name? What is the table name? I will say table name is patient. Table name is patient, right? What is the plural? I will say patients. S. It's giving an example. Account, accounts. Because you have done it, so it'll be easy. Do you want to use vowels? No. A, E, I, O, U. I don't want to. I'm not a French where I have to put in patient. I have to put two dots over the P so that I can, I can stress on P. Right. Right. Some of the, French, right. Some of the Spanish will have some extra special characters on there, right. That is to stress the pronunciation. So no, thank you. Description. To capture to capture patient-related information, right? Now, if somebody needs a help on this patient table, right, which help they should open? I have not created any page where how to create a patient, how to delete a patient, how to register a patient, how to how to go beyond you know registration fee. If patient is not able to pay, he is a BPL patient, below poverty line patient, right? How can we go ahead and if it's insurance patient, I want to help on the patient. Can I create a BPL patient here, right? I should have a help page. Do you have any help page created? No. If we have, then you can select open a page, content name, page name. Currently I don't have. So it'll open the standard Salesforce help and training, right? Okay, for now, fine. We can change it later. I cannot create an empty table. A table has to be created minimum with one column. What I will say, the column is patient registration number. I want a number to be generated automatically, right? And primary key, I will say not a primary key, here's a secondary key. Unique number will be generated for each patient. What type of it is? It will say auto number. Immediately, I'm zooming in now so that you can see it quite bigger and closer, right? There we go. Now, auto number. I want to generate an auto number. All the auto number generation has to be in the flower bracket. How many digit you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number to be generated. 5 digit number. Starting from where? Starting from 100. 00100. I want to generate it from 100. Oh, I want to generate it for 100. There we go. First number will be 100. Second number will be 101, 102, 103. Consecutive numbers. I want to jump in an interval of 5. Can I do that? No. With this, no. With the programming, yes. Here's some limitations. Here it will increment the number by 1 automatically. I want to add Apollo Hospital hyphen. Yes, you can add. This will be static. Apollo Hospital 00100. Apollo AH. How the number will be generated? How the number will be generated? Okay. How the number will be generated? What I give? AH hyphen 000100. This is how it will generate. Next patient AH 00101. Next patient AH 00102. System will generate a number like this. This is what I'm building here. This is what I'm building here. A 5-digit number, right? I want to add year also. Year also. Another curly bracket. I will say MM month. I will add one more curly bracket. Y. How the number will be generated now? Number will be generated like 101092020. 101092020. It will generate like this. Next month, it will say 102020. 102 is your number. After that, 10th month, next month, it will change. Because this month is 9th month. Next month is 10th month. Next year, if I keep on creating a patient, next year, I will have AH hyphen 000103, right? What is that? 012021. It will generate a number like this. January 2021. If you give this, I will give a dash in between. So that dash. This is how my number will be generated. AH dash, then the output also will look like this. Dash, right? Sorry. Dash. Your patient registration ID will generate like this.
Rupam, one question here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Here in the number field, there is a 5-digit number. So if it moves on to the 6-digit number, it automatically it will take
No, it'll throw a beautiful error on your screen.
Okay.
It'll throw a beautiful error on your screen. Number exceeded the limit.
Okay.
Right? Right? This is how it'll generate a number. So be careful in the real time to use this number system. Again, you have to come and you have to modify it. So use some good numbering system. Zup, 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 zup. Take it. Take in the right. Take like this. Right? Start with 001. Right? If it's a big transactional company, then yes, you might need to increase more zeros. Or you might need to, this will not help. Then you might need to help, for example, vehicle number plates. TS07, static. Hyderabad number plate. TS07, static number. After that, AA 001, 002, 003, up to 4-digit only, no? How the Telangana state number plate looks, right? Any vehicle number plate, TS07, right? FX, my vehicle number I'm taking, 9700. This is my car number, right? My car number. Next number will be generated as TS07, FX, right? 9701. Like this, it will go to 999. After that, the next number will be, right, how it is generating. TS07X will become Y, FY, and it will start with 001. 001. Like this, it will go to Z. Like this, it will go to after Y. After Y999 is over, Z. When Z999 is over, then it will go to next. This is how the Telangana state number plate is going. After F, Z is over. Then it will be A. In the place of F, it will be G. EFGH, sorry, H. It will be H. HA001. F series is over. Again, H will remain A, then B, then C, D, E, F, G, H. That means 99,000 into 25. Because, right, these many alphabets are there. 26 alphabets into 99,000. It will generate combination, right? Into, right? Then into another 26. That many number of combinations it's generating. After TS7 is over, then the next number plate is TS08. TS08. Now, if you want to do alphabetical one, then you cannot do it here. You have to use program. Program to generate complex alphabetical numbering systems. Here, it's only number and date system. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes. Cool. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Thank you. Right, let's proceed. Can you add time? No. Right, let's see. Can you add time? No. You can add only date, month, and year, but you cannot add any time. There's nothing called TT, MM, or SS, minutes and second. No time. Right? It's not an Aadhaar card that in Aadhaar card the time is also generated. In Aadhaar card, time is also there, seconds is also there. If you see, those who know, right? For that custom programming. Right? There we go. Do you want to allow report? Yes, on this table I want to allow reporting. Do you want to allow activities like sending email, attachments, sending email, meeting, task? Yes. Do you want to track the field history? Who is changing the data from what to what? Yes. Do you want to talk about this particular record in chatter? Yes. Do you allow sharing? Yes. These are integration. APIs. Will you allow integration? Yes. Is it in development? Yes. Right. Do you allow search? Yes. On the top here I'm talking about. You have a search global top where I can type something. Include this table in that search. Yes. Do you want note and attachment? Yes. Notes and attachment. Yes, our notes and attachment. Don't check this box now. Click on save. I'm creating a table with one column called as patient registration number, which is an auto number field, and this is my auto number generating format. I go ahead, click on save. Wait, system is generating the table. A backend table has been created. What are the fields? Created by, modified by, owner. Who is the owner? When it was created, date. Did I create these three fields? No, they are system created. I created a field called this. By default, the first field name is name. By default, the first field name is name. Rupam, it's not a name, it's a registration number. But then also in the backend, the first field is always called as name. Can I change it? No. From second field onward, yes. Right? By default, for every custom object, by default, for every custom object, by default, for every custom object, first field name is name. Right? So you can see that name got created. Name got created. Right? Okay. That's good. Right? Now, step 2 is done. We created a table. Step 3. The table has to be connected to the front end. Step 3. I'm going to back to the setup. Step 3. First, we created an app. Second, we created a table. Now the table has to be connected to a front end. User interface. I will go to the user interface. User interface. First, I created app manager. Second, objects and field, object manager. Third, user interface. What is that? I scroll down and I click on tabs. There are 4 types of tabs available. Object tab, web tab, Visualforce tab, lightning page tab, right? So 4 types of tabs available. What we created a table, an object. So we will select object tab. We created an object. We will select what? We will select object tab. I click on new. What is the object? Your table is visible here. Patient. What is the tab style? Right? You can choose the style from here. All these cups, icons are given. Cup, factory, right? All these icons are given. Predefined styles. You can say that this looks to be good. No, I don't like it. I want to put my picture. Create your own style. Go ahead, insert an image, your image, right? I'll put my sign, right? You see that my sign has come, small sign has come. You can choose the color, which color you like. You can create yours. I'll say no. I want to choose from the existing one. Nothing, it's just a cosmetic. I will say, right, which I was choosing. People, let's choose this. Patient, no. So people icon. Any home page link, no. Description, no. If you want to type, you can type an interest or description. Click next. Who can access this tab? Tab level access, if you remember in the profile. I'm saying yes, everyone can access. Next, which solution do you want to link? I uncheck everything. I want to connect it only to the hospital management. I don't want it to be visible under sales, service, only under hospital management. I click on save. I click on save. I click on save. I click on save. Next time when I come and I select app manager, I click on view all. I select Apollo Hospital. I should be able to see patient. It takes 5 seconds to 5 minutes to come here. See, awkward. It takes time for it to, give the output. Rupam, I don't have a patience. I'm a person who wants chatak immediately. Okay. If you want jhatak immediately, you don't, you say that no Rupam, I don't want to waste 5 minutes. Okay, then you go ahead and manually put it. How to put it manually? Go to your app manager, right? The app that you created. Open your hospital app. Here is the hospital app, which I'm highlighting. Click here, right? Click on edit. If you don't have a patience, then do this step. If you have a patience, wait. Go to the navigation item. Look for the list. Look for the one which you created. Patient. Patient, 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 patient. Right? Patient, patient. Okay, here it is. Patient. Add it. Right? Add the navigation to the patient. Click save. It should happen automatically, guys. But if you don't have patience, then do this. Now click back. Done. Over. You don't have a patience, no? Now come and click on your app manager. Click on view all. Click on Apollo Hospital. Immediately you will be able to see patient. Immediately. Oh, not yet come. Refresh. Oh, there we go. See patient. Still awkward because Apollo doesn't have a home screen. You didn't create any home screen. You didn't set that as soon as you log into Apollo, open patients. Right? 2 or 3 times it will observe that every time whenever you're opening it, you're clicking, it will take home patient as home now immediately. Next time when I come, it will take patient as home because there is no home page, right? So we can create a home page. We'll see later. That's a home page, no? So as soon as I click on patient, sorry, Apollo Hospital, system take patient as home. See, now we have our own custom tab there called patient, where you can click on new button. Automatically this button comes. I have only patient registration number, nothing, because I created only one field. I click on save, immediately to generate a number. See, empty patient without any detail, it generated a record, a null record. AH001009, exactly the format that I showed you, it generated. Here it is. 000, number of zeros that you have added. So it'll take it. Right? Because I might have increased the 0 there. Right? Everyone clear? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Cool. Good.
Sir, the null entry we can delete now.
Sorry.
Null entry we can delete. Can we
Yeah,
delete that
obviously.
the null entry?
You can delete white null. You can delete anything, everything. You're an admin.
Okay. Yeah.
You can delete the whole table. Right? Okay. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
How to create an app, how to create a table, how to connect a table to using a tab to a solution. Yes, tell me.
Actually, we have created a single object here. Can we create multiple objects at the same time?
Good question. Can we create a multiple object? Right? Yes. But multiple objects, how could you give a multiple object columns? Tell me. Either you have to do with a command, create patient table, create in the patient table, these are the columns, create, right? Payment table, create diagnostic table. Yes, you can. Through programming. Everywhere in this whole world, it's through programming only. Multiple is through programming. Anytime, anywhere, right? Through programming. Right? You can go ahead and you can see when I click on create, wait, I'll show you. Can you see create object from spreadsheet? From an Excel also, you can create a object. All my columns are listed in Excel. Why should I create one by one? I want to create this here. Right? In Excel, I have the table and the column I want to create. You can do it. Multiple you can create. multiple you can create, right? Clear now, everyone? Right? Let's go ahead. Now, we created this. Once again, right? Now I will go back to my setup. I open objects and fields, object manager. I go to the table because I have to add more columns to the table. Scroll down. I look for my table that I created. I create a table called as patient. Here it is. It checks a box called as custom table when it was created. I click on patient. Front name is patient. Backend name is patient underscore underscore C. Double underscore C. Double underscore C. Double underscore C. I go to the fields and relationship. Here, if you see that the first field that I created called registration number is called name. I will click on new field. New field. All the field type is available here. All the field type is available here. All the field type, checkbox, currency, date, time, email. I will say text. I'm selecting text. Click next. What is that? Patient first name. Patient first name. What is the length? 50 characters. Right? Description. You can write. Right? Patient first name. First name. Help text. Do you want to enter any help text? Yes. This will be visible in the form. In the page, it will be visible. Right? Please enter FIR's first name clearly. Do not enter, right, abbreviations. Do not enter abbreviations, right? Or do not enter short name or initials. Don't say RB Chakravarti. Define full. First name RB, last name. No, don't do this. Do not. I want to display some message. Help text. Is it mandate? Yes. Name is mandate. Is it unique? No. There could be two Srinivas. There could be two, Rajesh. No. Do you want to use this as an external ID? Tomorrow when you do integration, do you want to? No. Name is never an external ID. As soon as the page loads, do you want to load it with some default data? No. I want to keep it blank. We'll talk about this later when requirement comes. For the name, this is not the requirement. Click next. For which profile this field is visible? Field level security in the profile. For all visible. Next. Which layout? We don't know what is a layout, but we have been every time, right? We check those box called layout, but we don't know what is a layout. Very soon we will know. In another 2 days, you'll know what is a layout. Today also, check the layout. Every time we have been doing this checking. Yesterday class also you have seen when we are creating the rules, we have checked those layouts. So yes, layout. I click on save. Save and new. One field created, I'm creating one more field. Now I will go in a serial order from here. I'm leaving the first couple of them because they are complex. So I'm going with checkbox, checkbox, checkbox. Click next. What is that? I will say fee paid, question mark. By default, checked. Yes, paid. Any help text? No. Description. If you want, you can write it. Click next. For which profile? All the profile. Click next. For which layout? Patient layout. You can click save or you can click on save and new. or you can click on save. We created 2 fields. Right here it is. Backend name is patient underscore first underscore name underscore C. Fee paid, fee underscore paid double underscore C, double underscore underscore. All the custom fields except the first field will be with double underscore. I click new. I'm in field and relationship. Go down, currency. I select the second field. Can I create more than one currency field? Yes. Can I create more than one text field? Yes. Last name is also text. City is a text, right? So I have to create this field 10 times actually. We'll do it. Currency. I'm just creating one each. What is that? I will say registration amount, registration fee. Registration fee. What is the length? 16 digit with 2 decimal places. Description, help, whether it's a mandate to require or not, any default. Yes. I want whenever the page load, it should load with 500. 500. Can they change it? Yes, they can change it. I want the value to be default loaded to 500. Click next. Click next. Click save and new. Next field, date. Date. I'll click next. I'm taking any date field. Again, don't catch, right? Don't again hold this field and start jumping on the branch. Okay, I have to create a date field. So I'm creating date of birth. Date of birth. Date of birth. Date field. Date of birth. Why date of birth? We will take registration date. Registration date. I want by default today's date to be loaded. I click here. I click on the formula editor. I select from here called as date and time. I look for today. Today returns current date. Today returns current date. I say insert. There's a function called as today. If I call this function, it will give me always back the current date in the server date it will give me. So today's date. I click next. Default. I click next. I click save. Standby. Whatever we have developed so far, let's see what we develop. I'm going to the end user screen. It will take time. It will take 5 to 5 minutes. There is any other way to make it fast the way we did for the tab? No. The only thing is that I can go and see what our neighbor auntie is doing. So let's go to the neighbor's house. Hey, service, how are you, man? I'm loading service. Hey, all good. Okay, now from service, let's go to marketing's house. Hey, cloud marketing, how things going on? It's long back, 3 weeks or 4 weeks we left you. Right, we started our Salesforce with campaign lead. You are the starting point for us. How can you forget? Hey, right, that's correct. Okay. Hey, thanks, man. It's a time for me to go to my home. I go to my hospital management. Hope that our dish is ready. I click on new. There we go. Our dish is ready. Patient name. Please enter the first name clearly. Do not enter short name or initial. Patient name. All film actor, actress. I will start placing here. Right. So, or politicians. You can say anything. You can then start taking it. So I will say, okay, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan. I will say, right, what? Right, Anushka. Where is the last name? No last name. Fee paid. Oh, this is not fully loaded. The dish is not fully prepared. I should have a registration fee 500 loaded. I should have a registration date today's loaded. I close it. That means I should have gone to someone else's house more. Okay, guys, tell me, how is the life going on? Everyone, going good?
Good, sir.
So what you guys are doing, and lockdown at home, all married people breaking husband's head or wife head?
No, sir, no.
No? Okay, that's good. So how many of you are missing the movies, theaters?
I do miss, sir.
Very good. By now, so many movies would have got released, no? I'm eagerly waiting for KGF 2 to come.
Yeah, already
What
waiting for
happens in
KGF 2 too.
I'm just waiting when
We are
the
also
KGF
waiting.
2 will happen. If this when pandemic would have not then then the KGF 2 would have released by now, right? So KGF 2, right? Okay, we gave enough time. Let's go ahead and check it once again. I refresh. Actually, I was killing the time. I was giving time for system to go ahead and deploy this. I click new. There we go. Our dish is ready now. See, 500 by default. Rupam, why dollar? Why not something else? I'll show you later how to change the currency. Registration days, today's date. Patient name, right? Tamanna. Oh, no. Anushka. Fee paid. Yes. Checkbox unchecked. 500. Can I change it? Yes. 900. Can I go ahead and change the date? Yes. The calendar comes in. You click on save. A patient generated. Not see that it is not yet properly cooked. It captured the data, but while displaying, it's not displaying the name, registration fee paid. That means this is not fully ready. It will take little time. Maybe in 10-15 minutes, you will be able to see tomorrow when I come, you will be able to see all the details getting populated. All the details getting populated. All the details getting populated. When I click on patient, I just see the number getting generated. 101, 100, 101. Rupam, why can't we see patient name, last name, email, phone, fax here? Can I do that? Yes, we'll do it slowly. Don't jump everywhere. Step by step. About the lightning course. Lightning with LWC. Right? What is lightning? What is LWC? We'll discuss on that demo class. What is the career? What is the requirement? What is the course duration? Everything. Okay. So thank you guys. That's it for today. Right? Have a nice and wonderful day. Tomorrow, let's meet on the same time. If I'm late, please bear. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.